No.
An odd duck, if you will, but still a really nice guy.
Here to tell it, local historian Jamie Norpel. She's also a York County native. Today, people drive by Ray Meyer's house.
I think it's slightly a York County rite of passage.
To talk about his life.
You know, he was known in the area as a powwow.
And his cold, hard, bloody murder. The area was named after him, Ray Meyer's Hollow. For those who know the story, they call his home Hex House. We'll see why.
I think that there's a blend of facts
Not
and
for
fiction
you.
here, and I think it's very important to get the facts right.
The facts are, Ray Meyer was killed inside his house on November 27th, 1921. Court documents say he was beaten over the head, tied up with a rope, and doused in coal oil. But to know the dark reality behind the dark walls, you need to know about another York County man named John Blymeyer.
John Blymeyer kind of struggled with life. You know,
Hi, baby. Hi.
it's about healing.
People often compare it to